Hi guys, what's up? So this is Steve again from Steve Loco channel. So we're gonna be fishing another, or we're gonna be doing another fishing vlog again. So dito po tayo ngayon sa Esplanade, sa Molie. Alright, so together with my fam. Okay, so what we did is we set up lightweight and medium heavyweight na um, rail tsaka rod, and we're gonna be fishing from time check 4:31 to 6, I think. We'll see. So let's go guys. Let's go and check if may makukuha tayo.
A few moments later.
So okay guys, so atay hapon dito sa Subong sa Molie, and so nag-aulan Subong. So Amot ko madayon pa na naton nga fishing venture ni. Basa naton nga ay shit, basa na. So basa na mga gamit. Okay. Sa subong. Ay. So let's call it a day na. Okay. Ulan. Alright. Expect ko naman ito mga vlog. Good day. No good day. So let's wait until 6 na lang ah. Okay, so let's wait until 6 na lang. And resume our vlog. Okay.
One eternity later.
Ay mga agad! Abaw, abilots. Ito ko, shot. Alright, so yun guys, so Steve again, and mission success po tayo, and we caught 3/4 mga agat, and same goes rin po sa lahat ng mga ka-anglers natin doon sa na namimit dun sa muli. And so what we're going to do on our next vlog, we're gonna be doing night fishing na naman po. And since that we caught our fish during like past 6 na lang ng gabi, so yes, so we're gonna be doing another river fishing, and it's night fishing na naman po. So stay tuned po sa aking channel, and please like, hit, and subscribe my channel po. So Steve again, and thanks much for watching my vlog. Have a great day. Happy fishing.